The coffee cherries used to make coffee beans. The coffee beans are actually parts of the coffee cherry pits that grow on this 5 to 8 meter tree. Kona coffee in Hawaii is usually picked manually. Once the coffee cherries reach the maturity stage, they need to be manually picked immediately. The time given is only 24 hours. The workers need to pick the plump and ripe parts. Coffee cherries spoil after being picked. Freshly picked coffee cherries go through a pulpier to separate the peel and pulp from the beans, which are then separated by weight as they pass through the waterways, with the lighter beans floating to the top and the heavier ripe beans sinking into the water, where they are transported to a dry deck. Workers dump them on the ground to dry, evaporating the moisture content to only about 11%. After a day they go into a desiccator for 24 hours before being put in a warehouse to ferment until the beans are this pale green. The next step is to enter the deep processing link. This machine can screen coffee beans, remove their inner skins, and enter the classifier according to different sizes. After coming out, these green beans come to the gravity table, and the broken and immature beans will be sieved out, so as to avoid affecting the drinking taste of coffee. The final product goes to an optical sorter, where any remaining impurities are removed, and finally they are roasted to become the coffee we know.